Positano is what Italy would look like if you designed it on a postcard. Then someone actually built it. Tonight, we're walking from the very top all the way down through one of the most beautiful villages ever created. Positano isn't just a village. It's where every street leads to another unforgettable view. With its colorful cliffside homes, charming lanes, and sparkling Mediterranean backdrop, it's easy to see why travelers from around the world fall in love with this place. If journeys like this inspire you, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell for more cinematic walks through the world's most beautiful destinations. Everything begins here on Via Cristoforo Colombo, high above the sea and high above the crowds. From here, Positano almost doesn't look real. Hundreds of colorful homes are stacked one above another, as though the mountains simply decided to become a village. There are no straight lines here, no flat streets, and no ordinary skyline. Just terraces, balconies, flowers, domes, and somewhere below, the Mediterranean quietly waiting. There aren't many places where simply walking downhill feels like turning the pages of a story. Positano is one of them. Every staircase reveals another balcony, another hidden hotel, and another perfect photograph. Every 20 steps, the entire view changes. Turn one corner and the sea disappears. Turn the next and suddenly it's back again, larger than before and closer than before. The village never shows you everything at once. It rewards patience, one staircase at a time. The streets become narrower, quieter, and more intimate. Welcome to Positano's Artisan Quarter. Color seems to spill out of every doorway. Hand-painted ceramic plates, bowls, and tiles fill the shop fronts, with lemon patterns appearing almost everywhere. Each piece carries the unmistakable colors of the Amalfi Coast. As the streets continue winding downhill, the unmistakable dome of Chiesa di Santa Maria Assunta begins to appear between the buildings. Its colorful majolica tiles catch the last light of the evening, standing out beautifully against the surrounding pastel houses. Every few steps reveal a different angle. It's one of those landmarks that quietly becomes the centerpiece of the village without ever demanding your attention. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Tripinn for more immersive journeys through some of the world's most beautiful places. Now let's see a new side of Positano. The final staircase opens, and suddenly everything becomes wider. Welcome to Spiaggia Grande, the heart of Positano. After weaving through its narrow streets and endless staircases, arriving here feels like a completely different side of the village. With the Mediterranean stretching out ahead and Positano rising dramatically behind, it's easy to understand why this is one of the Amalfi Coast's most iconic views. As the evening settles in, the pace slows, the atmosphere softens, and for a moment, all you want to do is stop, look around, and take it all in. By now, night has completely settled over Positano, but the village is far from slowing down. The streets and waterfront take on a different energy, where every corner feels warm, welcoming, and full of life. Oh, it's the kind of place that invites you to keep walking a little longer, with no real destination in mind. In Positano, some of the best moments aren't planned. They simply happen as the evening unfolds. As the night settles over Positano, the village seems to glow even brighter. Looking back from Spiaggia Grande, every light scattered across the cliffs feels like part of a scene that was never meant to end. It's calm, timeless, and somehow even more beautiful after dark. If you enjoy exploring places like this from wherever you are, subscribe to Tripinn and ring the bell so you never miss our next journey. There's always another incredible destination waiting just around the corner. Positano isn't just a village, it's a place that stays with you long after you've left. And tonight was only one small glimpse of its magic.